In this video, I will guide you on how to apply for the Amazon Affiliate Program. This is very beneficial in helping you generate income, wherein you will just simply share links on your social media accounts to promote their products, and when people buy using the links that you share, you will also earn income. This is my account showing you the products you can promote through the link that you have shared or you will be sharing on your social media platforms. What I want you to do is, on your browser, click on Amazon Affiliate Program. Make sure to click the Amazon.com Associates Central. This is how it should look like. Now, if you're in the United States, you'll see it here. Click United States, or if you are in Germany, choose Germany, France, wherever you may be in the world, you can definitely create your Amazon Affiliate Program account. There are just 3 simple steps to do that. First is to sign up. Next is to recommend. And third is to earn. So you sign up, and then after that, we will recommend products by sharing the link. We have customized link, and then when people buy through the link that you share, you will earn. Click on the sign up here. After clicking that one, wait for it to load, and then this is what it will show you. Next, click create your Amazon account. Wait for it to load and input your details. Then click create your Amazon account. They will ask you to verify your email address, so go to your email and enter the security code that they have provided. After that, click create your Amazon account. Then you will be directed to creating your Amazon Associates account. So input your payee name, your address, zip code, city where you are in. Just input your details there and click next. Then it will ask you to enter your websites. I'll just put here my YouTube channel. Add the link, click add, and then there you have it. Then click next. So it will ask you a question, or any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13. My videos aren't for children under 13, so I will just click no, and then click confirm. Then it will ask you for your preferred associate store ID, and I will just put here cross tutorials, and then you will have to tell what content you create. So I will just put here, I make tutorial content. And which of the following best describes your content? Just click search, because I'm all about tutorial videos and searching videos. And then how did you hear about us? You may just click here from the Amazon website, blog post, word of mouth, but I'll just click from the Amazon website. And then you have to type the characters in the above image to let them know that you're not a fraud. Don't forget to click that you agree to the terms and conditions of the Associates Program Operating Agreement. Click Finish. And there we have our Amazon Associates account. Now, it will ask you to enter payment and tax information, but we can do that one later. And that's it. You have just created your Amazon Affiliate Program account.